Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're making these lovely label cards with the stamp set labeled with love. This stamp set's unique. You can actually choose whether you want the dies to cut the label. I chose the punch, so I'll be using that today. So let's get started. We'll start with a card base that's measuring 4 by 11, scored at 5.5. A piece of cardstock, 4 by 5.25, and then just a extra scrap piece of basic white to be able to punch out the label. So first I'll go ahead and fold along the score line here. Use the bone folder to make it nice and crisp. With the cardstock, you go ahead and open up your punch like that. And then I like to punch it upside down so I can actually see where I'm punching. And I measured it, so I marked it here so you can be consistent on how far from the edges that you are punching. So I match it up to the line that I have here, and then make sure that it's actually centered on the cardstock. So make sure that it's equal on the top and the bottom. So I'll punch that out. And then turn it around to this side and punch it out again. And then that is the card piece that you'll adhere on top of here. So, and it'll go just like this. I'm going to use some Stampin' seal. I put a little T here just to remind me that's the top of it. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on the corners. This is my way of doing it clockwise, so there's not a ton of adhesive. And I'll do a little bit more on the center part. So adhere it here and center. There will be a little border on there. I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment so we can punch it out. I chose the happy birthday. Straight up and straight down, no rocking. You won't get any of the edges. Bring out the punch again. And again, punch upside down so you can actually see the words. Like that. Alright. So this, we're going to adhere with some dimensionals. I'm down to the last bit. You know me. I'm going to use every little bit of the dimensionals. Can't waste those edges. They're just as good as the regular dimensionals. I just do this to simply just cut them apart. And then there. So we're going to take the release papers off. Use your picker tool to do this also. And then the fun part of punching the windows that you just created. So I have some presents and then a present that you can actually decorate. So let's start with the present. This is Lemon Lolly. And then these are, I guess, the accents to the picture, to the present, using some Granny Apple Green, and it spaces it out so it'll fit on the present perfectly. Isn't that cool? Then the last one, we're going to do some more presents. We'll go ahead and do, should we do the same? Yeah, let's do some shamrock. So I'm going to do the triple presents. I'm going to do it twice. And that's it. A quick and easy card for birthdays. I have tons of birthday cards to send, so it's really easy to make those over and over. So let me bring back the cards to show you. I just did the opposite of what I had. And then these are different ones using different parts of the stamp set. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and share with friends that also will enjoy that. And please subscribe, and you'll see many, many more video tutorials such as these. Have a great day. Bye.